Subaru key fobs typically release tab or a split case design. For models roughly from 2008 to 2018, like Legacy and Impreza, look for a small release tab on the side, often marked with an arrow. Press or pry this tab to separate the fob halves. For 29 plus models like Ascent, WRX, Forester, Outback, and Crosstrek, the fob is split case. You'll likely need a small flathead screwdriver or prying tool to gently release the internal clips that hold the two plastic shells together. Be careful not to crack the case during this process. Subaru's latest firmware updates allow users to check battery status remotely. Once the key fob is open, the battery will be exposed. The battery is almost always a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. Use gloves to avoid transferring oils to the circuit board. Note the battery orientation with the positive side up before removing the old battery. Install the new battery in the same orientation, positive side up. After replacement, test the fob by pressing the buttons near your vehicle. If the fob doesn't work, it may need to be reprogrammed via a Subaru dealer or through the Subaru Starlink app, if available. Improper opening is a top cause of fob failure, so proceed carefully. Also, Subaru's 2024-2025 lineup emphasizes durability, with some fobs featuring improved seals to prevent water ingress.